Hello there, welcome to the video. In this video you are going to learn how you can advertise on Facebook for free. So Facebook providing two platforms to advertise your product and business on Facebook, so you can sell it and earn a good amount of revenue. So for this purpose, there are two basic ways to advertise your business. The first one is basic and the second one is a little advanced. Today I'm gonna teach you basic way of advertising your products and business. If you're new to the channel, subscribe the channel. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you have any questions, tell me in the comment. So I have created a folder of Facebook ad posting, and I have another two subfolders of photos and text data. You can create that to organize your file. In photos I have this product called Other, and it's a fragrance bottle. Okay, so I wanted to sell it on Facebook, and on the next folder I have this text data, which is I have already opened it, and here you can see there is title and description. For follow these steps to post it on Facebook, you can see here the marketplace icon on the top side of the Facebook. If you are watching this from cell phone, still on the top side of the Facebook, go to the marketplace and create new listing. Here Facebook allows users to sell the product from 1 kilometer area side to 600 kilometers, and this is in the basic version of the Facebook. If you wanted to sell the product above the 600 kilometers, you need the videos of advanced selling. Okay, but let's focus on the basic selling. I will also share this in the video of advanced selling. Okay, here you can select the product type. I have item for sale, vehicles for sale, home for sale land. So I have an item. I am clicking here, and here you can see the preview, and on the left side is the main place where you are going to post your product. So first we need photos, and click on the add button. I'm going to the ad post. Okay, so these are all the photos, and I'm gonna select them. I'm gonna click on open. Okay, so they are now uploading. I need title. I have already made a title. You can see the photo is being uploaded. You can also change the main photo just by moving like this, and you can easily change the main photo. Okay, so I have written all the text. Okay, so where is the text? Okay, I'm gonna copy the title. First you need to post the title. I have already written title. Title should be attractive. Okay, the second thing is price, and I'm gonna write the price 99. You can write the price whatever you want, and I have this description. I'm gonna copy it later. First I need you to focus here. Okay, this is a category. So my product is men clothing and shoes. Mostly men use this. Condition type new. You can also choose like new, good, fair, etc. Okay, so description, I have this description. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it. There is the okay. So I have also added a link, but you can see link is not clickable. Okay, so how you are not allowed to share any kind of links in the description, but I have done it. Don't do that. It's for the technical people. I know a little bit. Okay, so list as a single item. If you have in bulk, you can list in stocks, or otherwise you can list in single item. I'm doing this. Okay, now click on this size. I have this 3 ml size. Okay, Scott's color. Okay, so the brand. Okay, now you need product tags. You can add here product tags. Okay, I'm adding the product tags. As you can see the option location, you can add any kind of location here. So we will leave this empty, not a city. We're gonna leave the city. Okay, we're gonna add here. Tab is completed. Okay, here is the first step. Okay, now let's talk about the advanced tab. Here you can see list in your groups. So if you wanted to post over the outside the marketplace in the selling groups to increase visibility in other cities or countries, etc., so you can post your product here first by joining these groups. So I'm not gonna posting there. That will be for another video. If you have question, you can comment it. Click on the publish, and this is how you can post your product online.